Welcome to Bucher Municipal's Melbourne manufacturing facility.
Come and see the team in action.
Located a short drive from our main production facility, our fabrication plant uses a combination of highly skilled welders in conjunction with robotic welding to produce the best quality truck-mounted refuse equipment in Australia. At Bucher Municipal, our people are our greatest asset. Our commitment is to ensure a safe environment by using innovative jigging to eliminate some of the challenging conditions encountered when working on such large equipment. At Bucher Municipal, we are driven to be an innovative Australian designer and manufacturer of waste equipment. I'd like to show you what we do, how we do it, and why Bucher Municipal is such a great place to work. Our dedicated R&D area is equipped with the best press brake and laser cutter to allow our engineers to quickly take their designs from computer to prototype in no time. We place value on the quality of our paint finish and have a dedicated team of highly experienced painters to prepare and paint the equipment we make. The post-paint area is where our team assembles and fits all the hydraulics and electrical components to our refuse bodies. This is where we build some of the most critical components of our machines, such as the bin lifters. This area is where the cab chassis is prepared for the body to be mounted. This includes drilling and welding, relocating air and fuel tanks, mounting hydraulic pumps, and completing the in-cab electrical fit-out. The marriage line is where everything comes together. At this stage, the body is mounted to the cab chassis and all the electronics and hydraulics are connected. Our qualified team performs a rigorous run-up of each machine specifically tailored to our customers' requirements. Here on our sweeper production line, a specially designed dual steer kit for the Hino cab chassis is installed prior to mounting the body. Our truck-mounted sweeper body is provided from our sister company in the UK, with significant local research and development optimising it for the Australian market. Final assembly is performed here at our Melbourne facility. Thanks for joining us for a quick glimpse of what we do. If you'd like to be part of our team, we'd love to hear from you.